Hi, my name is Cayla Jones and I'm a museum educator here at Crystal Bridges. This project is inspired by Will Wilson's Casey Camp Hornick, which you learned about in the previous video. Will Wilson makes art by printing images on metal plates. For this project, we're going to print images using traditional printmaking techniques. Printmaking uses plates, blocks, or stamps to make images. With printmaking, artists can make copies of the same image over and over, which makes a unique pattern or design. Today, you'll make your own printmaking plate and use markers to print on paper.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
To make this project, grab these materials from your U+Me kit: foam sheet, pen, watercolor paper, markers, sponge. Also, with permission from an adult, grab a cup with water in it. Before you begin this project, let's talk about the different types of paper in your kit. For this project, you will need the thick textured white paper, so don't use the thin white paper from the previous art making activity. Now take a moment to think of some objects that represent who you are. What are your hobbies or interests? Since I like to paint, I will make a paintbrush for my printing block. Grab your pen and your foam sheet. The foam sheet should feel like stiff plastic that is used for cups or coolers. Begin to draw those objects into your foam sheet with your pen, pushing down hard enough to leave an indent or marking. Repeat the process until your entire foam sheet is covered in objects that represent you. Use your markers to color your foam sheet. You can use multiple colors to decorate each object. The markers will seem like they're not sticking to the sheet at first, but don't worry, because it will print beautifully soon. When you're done coloring, put your foam sheet aside. Next, grab your thick, textured watercolor paper, sponge, and water cup. I decided to cut a smaller piece of sponge, but you can use any size for this project. Dip your sponge into the water. Make sure to squeeze out most of the water because you want your sponge to be damp or slightly wet. Take your damp sponge and wipe it all over your watercolor paper. Make sure to cover the whole sheet. This will help the marker print onto the paper. Remember to make sure it's not too watery. Finally, grab your colorful foam sheet and place it face down onto your damp watercolor paper. Push and rub the colors around using your hands. Once you're done, pull the foam sheet off of your watercolor paper and admire your print. When you're done, be sure to clean up your space and put your unused supplies back into your My Museum kit. Thanks for making this art project with us today.
With an adult's permission, take a photo or two of your completed art project and post it on social media with the hashtag MyMuseumKit. Enjoy exploring!